Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Rajesh Kumar Mohan and I have secured All India rank 102 in UPSC 2020 Civil Services examination. In this video, I would be telling how to make India's map in 1 minute. So making India's map is an art which would be very helpful in writing answers for the mains examination. So let's start. So to make India's map, we should be aware about certain points. So there should be two dots that should be very much parallel to each other. These dots, as we will see, signify certain points in India's map. One is the lower edge of Gujarat and another is the lower edge, the eastern edge of the West Bengal. So here you start, you make Gujarat above this dot, then just above this you try to make Sikkim, a small Sikkim above the dot we had made for West Bengal. Now adequate spacing is there. We will make, first of all, make Rajasthan, then Jammu and Kashmir, then Himachal Pradesh, and we will provide spaces for the neighboring countries. Spacing, the empty space has to be given to two countries especially. First is Nepal and second is Bhutan. Then we will make northeast, and then later on we will make the southern part, the part of India that touches with the Indian Ocean. So let's start. So we make a small square like thing in order to signify that we have made the Rajasthan. Afterwards we have to make Jammu and Kashmir. We know that Jammu and Kashmir has a peculiar shape and most of the people you would be knowing about this. After making Jammu and Kashmir, we have to make Uttarakhand. So this way a spacing is there. Now the space between Uttarakhand and Sikkim is the place where Nepal is located. So we give space for Nepal here. This way the upper part of India is mostly made. Another part that is left is northeast. So for that, first we have to provide space for Bhutan. Bhutan is a small country, we have to provide a space for that. Afterwards we have to make Arunachal Pradesh and then go downwards and make Tripura, Mizoram, and before closing we have to ensure that we don't go directly there, we provide a space for Meghalaya. So after providing a space for Meghalaya, we go like this, and that way the eastern edge of West Bengal is made. So with this, North India is mostly done. Now we have to make the South India, the lower part, the one which touches with the Indian Ocean. So we go straight. This left side, it would be very straight. For right side, we have to make certain curves. So first curve like this, and then we have to make a map like this. So this is India's map, and we have been able to make it in very fast. We can also locate nearby countries. For example, this area is West Bengal. For example, this area is Nepal, and this area is Bhutan. The area here is China. So this is a mechanism. If you practice 2-3 times, you would be able to make India's map very fast. Making India's map would help you in paper 1 in geography section. It will also help you in paper 2 in international relations section. In paper 3 also, sometimes internal security questions require making India's map. So with this, I would like to thank you for watching the video. I hope this will help you in your preparation. Thank you.